So these are the instructions on how to use the Yoel Geva site for practicing reading comprehension. So on this site, we have all Belgrade exams for English. You scroll down a little bit, and here you have all the different years, 2020, 2019, and so on. So let's try and have a look at Moed Khoref, winter Moed for 2019. You click here. You scroll down a little bit, and here you have all the different modules. You're looking for module C. So click on this one, and you will get the text. You scroll down a little bit. The text is here. The questions come after. Now, when you want to see the answers, you click on this one, looking for solutions. Again, you have the text first here. You go down, 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 and here where you have the questions, you have the correct answers. So this is how you can practice for the reading comprehension of our exam.